Here's how to set up Importify on WooCommerce, from installing the plugin to your first product live in your store. In your WordPress admin, open Plugins, then Add New and search for Importify. Install it. Activate the plugin and Importify checks your site straight away. 7 checks: your certificate, WooCommerce, permalinks, PHP, and anything that could block the connection. If something needs attention, this page names it and tells you how to fix it. And your store is already connected. That happens the moment you activate the plugin. Head to the dashboard and pick your plan. Every plan starts with a free trial. Your dashboard has a 3-step checklist, and step 1 is already done. Step 2. Connect to AliExpress so Importify can search products and sync your orders for fulfillment. Authorize once. It takes about 30 seconds. 2 of 3. All that's left is your first product. Open Product Finder. Describe what you want in plain language or browse the catalog. Pick a product and set your price. $2.10 at cost, 100% markup, $4.20 on your store. That's just an example. Work out your own markup once shipping and your other costs are in. Then add to your store. That's it. Title, images, variants, and price all live. And there it is on your WooCommerce store. One more thing. To import straight from a supplier's own page, add the Chrome extension. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Installed. The Importify button now appears on every supported supplier site. You're set up. The next product takes about a minute.